Alright, we are here in Mexican Rock. What's going on, world? We are back, and today we are out in North Carolina, up in the mountains, y'all. This spot here is a Mexican spot. We came out, and guys, this smells so good. There's rice with a burrito, chicken burrito. It has shrimp on top, tomatoes, queso. This thing, woo! I hope it tastes as good as it smells. Please. First thing we're gonna get into the main course, because this thing smells too good. Let's see. Actually, let's just take a piece of this shrimp. Let's try the shrimp out. I had to cut it in half. Too big. I cut it. Let's take a piece of the shrimp. Oh. They season that shrimp. Hold on. That shrimp tastes good. Whew. That is well seasoned. Wow. Let's see. Oh, yes. See the way. Oh, the inside. What's on the inside? Look at that. Pineapples, chicken, a whole lot of queso to squirt out of there. Oh my gosh. Alright, see if I can. Oh, it's falling apart on me. Matter of fact, let's just get a piece of that chicken first. Oh, that chicken. Look at that chicken. It's like a grilled chicken. Oh. Oh my gosh. Hold on, we gotta put it all together, yeah. Let's get it all together. Oh, there we go. Look at that. That looks good. The queso with the chicken, the pineapples, tomatoes, shrimp. It's like a whole flavor all in them. Oh, this is amazing. Let's get a shot of this rice. Oh my gosh. The rice, even though rice is amazing. Yes, I definitely have to come back here. This is the best burrito I've ever tasted. Yes, I'm so happy right now, yeah. I'm gonna have to save this spot on my map. And I was just on my way back to the hotel, and I was like, you know what? Let me try this spot. Because I was feeling kind of hungry, but I just didn't know what I wanted to eat. I didn't know. Mexican food could be so good. Oh man. I will move out here for this. Just for this. I'm gonna ask my wife tonight, can we move? You ever had something so good that it actually brings tears to your eyes. This place I went to tonight, it's called Mexican Rock, and it's in North Carolina. Guys, I had this burrito, right? The burrito had chicken, shrimp, queso, pineapples, a couple of veggies. This thing was so good. It was so good. I mean, it was seasoned to perfection. The rice was so fluffy but moist, light. It was all mixed up. It was just crazy. It was crazy. You took a scoop of the rice, put it in your mouth, and it like melt. It just like melts away. The rice was seasoned to a T. I wanted to try everything on that menu. Everything. Because that food was so good. I've been to 2 spots so far out here, and both of them, yes, they are up there, way up there. Thank you. Thank you. Because last week was terrible. This week, I think we're redeeming ourselves, yeah. So far, 2 restaurants, 10 out of 10. Amazing.